Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a star with a rubber band. And it's pretty simple. I mean, it's really similar to the hot air balloon. So if you should learn, I suggest you learning the hot air balloon first because it makes the star seem really a lot easier. So just go on YouTube, watch my other video. You can search for it. It's called how to make a hot air balloon with a rubber band. So anyway, with the star, I'm going to demonstrate first how it's supposed to, so you know how it's supposed to look like. Then I'm going to go through the tutorial with you. Okay? So here's a demonstration. And there's a star. So it should look like this. Now, for the tutorial, you're going to start off with the rubber band on your pinky. You're going to start off with it on your pointer finger and your thumb. Then you're going to take your other pointer finger, go over the other one, and then grab, like you go under this one, over the other one, and grab it. And then you pull it down, twist it, like pull it down and then twist it, and then put it on your pinky. So it should look like a triangle with 3 loops on each end. Then you're going to go, here's the tricky part, you're going to go through the thumb hole, and you're going to make your way to the point, you're going to go through the thumb hole, make your way through the point to the pointer finger, and grab the, you go through here, grab this one, and pull it down. Pull it down so it should look like a cross, like this. Then you take your middle finger and go in here and grab this and pull it down. So it's a star. So I really hope that this helps, and it's really fun to do, so just show your friends and have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.